What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we're making plantain fufu from scratch. Yes, plantain fufu from scratch, and we're also using a ground provision that some people refer to as cocoa in Jamaica, some refer to it as tanya, and some part in the Caribbean and Jamaica refer to it as taro. So we start by peeling the skin off everything. So we take the skin off the plantains and we take the skin off the taro. Now, you can wash them both if you want, but I really don't see any need to wash the plantain. But I always wash the taro because it's grown in the earth and you may find that it carries a little dirt. So I always wash it off and I don't wash my plantain. Then I cut them up. You don't have to cut them too small. I didn't cut them too small because I have a good blender. If you don't have a good enough blender, you probably want to cut them a little smaller. And as we mentioned, blender, you load them in your blender, and I use 1 cup of water to this 2 plantain and 1 taro, and I just blend until it's really smooth. And I think I blended about 1 minute and 27 seconds, but also it depends on the kind of blender you have. Then I added a pot to the stove, turn the stove on, and I throw the mixture in the pot, and from here all we're doing is stirring on medium to low heat. You can turn it to medium, you can turn it down to low until it forms a ball and cook at the same time. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this is going to take you a good 10 to 12 minutes depending on the heat that you're carrying underneath. So like I said, I use medium to low, and sometimes I even turn it on a high. I'm not going to lie to you. If you have it low, it's going to take a little longer to cook. And on high, it's going to cook a little faster and start coming together really fast. So you got to be careful keeping it on high, because if it starts coming together real fast, it's going to start forming up before it even cooks. So the best way is like medium heat, medium to low, like I said, to cook evenly, because you want your plantain to cook. And how I know that it's cooked, I just don't smell it raw no more. So if you know about green plantains, you'll know the smell when it's cooked. It don't smell raw. And like I said, you can skip your arm workout that day because it is a lot of stirring. But you know, I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Now, in some African cultures, fufu is a big thing, so don't play with their fufu. And usually they just do it like this, mix it up. But you're going to notice that I added a little butter and I added a little salt. That's just my preference. I've never seen anyone done it like that. And it's no disrespect to anyone, but when I add a little butter and a little salt, I eat it just like this sometimes. I'll pick it off and just eat it like this. Although I'm not going to eat it like this today, I'm actually making it with some Barbie jerk pork neck. Oh my god, this was so good, because usually fufu is served with like a soup. I like to call it gravy, a lot of gravy, because I've never really seen anyone make it with Jamaican meat type either, like Jamaican stew. They always make it with an African stew. So usually the stew is like a soup with a lot of gravy. So I'm doing a Barbie jerk with a lot of gravy. So it's not going to be your regular barbecue where you brush on your sauce. I'm going to make it in a lot of gravy, as you guys will see it served in the gravy. Now, I've been loving fufu. This is my 3rd week in a row eating fufu at least twice a week. So I've been loving fufu, and usually I do it from the box because you can actually buy the box and do it. But someone asked me to do it from scratch with plantain, and I'm sure I have a YouTube video doing that already. However, I still decided to do it today because I noticed it's healthier doing it from scratch like this, because on the box it has some extra ingredients that I don't care for. So this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Mwah!